Yeah, well, here in Europe, stocks have continued pretty much from where they left off yesterday. That means a third successive day of declines. We've got the FTSE 100, the DAX in Frankfurt, and the CAC 40 over in Paris, all of them showing falls, although I should say that they are actually making back some of the ground they have lost in the first, couple of hours of trading this morning. There are the exact numbers for you now. Not as bad as we were in the past half hour or at the open. Now, although all firmly in the red, investors continuing to fret really about whether valuations have gotten ahead of themselves. The Dow Jones Stock 600 is valued at nearly 50 times profit. And that's the highest level since June 2003. As usually is the case in these markets, financials, the main culprits of the top 10 fallers of the Stock 600. The vast majority are all banks or insurers. Santander leading the declines, followed by Barclays, UBS, BBVA and Lloyds Banking Group, then SocGen, then Intesa. That's the top 7 biggest fallers on the Stock 600. All of them are financials, and all of them, of course, very largely weighted on that index as well. The biggest loser of the lot, though, among the financials is KBC. Shares there falling as much as 8% at one point. That's after the European Commission late yesterday ordered the Belgian bank to make interest payments on so-called hybrid notes, which are a type of bond. Markets not taking too kindly to that instruction. Over in France, Alcatel-Lucent plunged some 6% at one point, and I think was the biggest faller on the Dow Jones Stock 600 in terms of absolute declines. There you can see down some 7%. That's after the company said that it would raise more than $1 billion via the sale of convertible bonds. The world's biggest supplier of fixed line even phone networks wants to refinance some of its $7 billion or so of debt. Others, some pharmaceuticals up, GlaxoSmithKline, for example, but really it's all a down day other than that, Scarlett.
Okay, thanks so much, Elliot Gotkin, reporting for us in London.